What's going on, guys and girls? It's another Tuesday, it's another explore. This is as Kurt said, a bit of a serious explore, if you like. It's a home of a double murder, so it's not the greatest of vibes, I'll be honest with you. Well, the murder happened in 2014. I'm actually standing where I believe where one of the bodies were actually found, so it's not ideal. Story is, elderly gentleman, his actual wife passed away in 2013, not sure what happened, but he went a bit of a mad one or whatever. He had a companion living here with a daughter. He actually shot and murdered the daughter, which might be in this very room. It's either this one or it's the one next to it. The daughter actually made then a 999 call, said he's killed her mum, you know, send help, and sadly he shot her outside on the steps before the police actually got here. So it's been trashed. I can imagine it's a pretty gorgeous location back in the day, before it was vandalised and was lived in, with the happy memories anyway. Okay, sadly weather's not on outside today. Just trekked through the forest to get you. How eerie, door blowing in the wind. You know, his vehicles are still parked up there as well, you know. He was actually sentenced to life in prison. I think only 4 years into his sentence, he actually passed away, so old age I'm guessing. Let's take you on in here. Not the biggest of properties, not a lot to see, but something I've wanted to see for a number of years. You know, and it's documenting history basically. Look at the little crib wall. Rest in peace. Oh, look at that safe. That's gorgeous. Normally that means welcome and it's an open door. There we go, even his van's been smashed up, which would have been pretty new to be fair at the time when this happened. We'll go and check the outbuildings out in a little bit. Let's do the downstairs first and then we'll go upstairs. Oh, toilet area. One thing about exploring, never look in the toilets, because it's never normally great just like that. We're in the kitchen, this cute. What do you think about it, bro?
It's
different, isn't it?
I don't like it.
It's different.
Two people got shot. It's
murdered, isn't it? Serious.
There's only 2 bedrooms upstairs.
You been up, have you?
Yeah.
Let's go have a nosy. Typical small stairs in these cottages. Wow. Cuddly toy, you know, that could have been one of theirs. Which is pretty surreal.
White people come creeping down there, you know.
Beyond me, innit? Small Hornby railway track, old gauge, in Meccano. Unbelievable. And then second bedroom. There's a lot of outbuildings, I'm guessing maybe, you know, they look like kennels if anything.
Yeah, I think he was a breeder.
So he's a breeder, was he?
Yeah.
So that's the inside of the house. Let's go and see a little bit outside.
I find right as well for your viewers, because I didn't say it on my video, he'd only just got his gun back.
Jeez.
From the police.
Unbelievable, man. That's a gorgeous window though, that is. Which way you want to go out? See the little crib there as well. Don't know why they write stuff on it, it's stupid.
Yeah, there's a murder scene as well. It's like...
Innit? I'm going to have a look down with these vans, bro. I know, here's a set of steps, guys. I'm not too sure if these were the actual steps she was found on. There she is. It's a gorgeous little cottage.
Yeah, gorgeous little house. Very nice house.
Please face your vehicle towards the house and sound your horn continuously for attention.
Oh, there used to be a road here at one point. Top of the road.
You think that would have been pretty new when all this happened?
Yeah. Wow.
Vandalised.
Getting back wrecked now.
What's the miles are? That digital, innit? Not a lot, I'm guessing.
Is there no free plate?
Oh, free plate. Oh, there we go, with 10-year-old there when it happened. Transit.
So it's probably 100,000 plus on them.
Yeah. It's just cabins to nothing.
What's the floor like?
Not too bad.
See, look, I think it was a dog breeder or something.
Yeah, it's definitely. You just ripped it open.
Yeah, right.
Videos. Do you know what? I used to love that movie when I was a kid.
Rugrats.
Rugrats. Yes, I'm a 90s kid. Cheers, bro. Just close this so it doesn't slam. Quieter we are, the better. Oh, that house is gorgeous, though.
I think it's worth a shot in the DSLR.
Yeah, I'll take some pictures of it, definitely. Free range eggs. Had it all going on now. Horse box. Let's see some of the stables first then. Hopefully no rain, no, we're okay. Just checking the lens, guys and girls. Wow. Tires. Makers. Let's see if we get a curtain now. There we go. Let's pick it back up out there. And there we go. I don't think I'm going to do the outside kennels up there because
It stinks.
it stinks.
Yeah.
There's not a lot left to see up there. That would have been a bit of a room we could have chilled in as well. Horses in the very back.
It's a caravan, I think.
The mains of a caravan, isn't it? Jeez. Hey. Was it a tree come down in it or just rusted away? There we go. I think that's the end of the video for us. I've seen everything I've wanted to see. Time to get some photos. I know a lot of you on my channel already follow Kurt, but if not, go check him out. And yeah, I'll see you next Tuesday. You lucky people. Peace and love as always. And boss out.